In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a solid layer in CapCut PC. If you need a solid black background, a colored backdrop, or just a clean plain canvas behind text, stickers, or other overlays, CapCut PC gives you a couple of very simple ways to do it. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the easiest methods so you can quickly build the look you want and keep your timeline organized. The first method uses CapCut's built-in color backgrounds. To do this, go to the top left navigation area and click Media, then select Library. Inside the Library section, you can scroll through the available assets or make things faster by typing color into the search bar. Once you do that, you'll see a range of solid color tiles, including common options like black, white, red, and blue. When you find the color you want, click and drag that solid color tile directly onto track 1 in your timeline. This creates a simple, full-frame solid layer that you can use as a base background for your project or for a specific scene. The second method uses canvas color layers. Start by clicking on your video or image in the timeline so it's selected. Then move to the top right Properties panel and open the Video section, followed by Basic. Scroll down until you find Canvas. In that area, switch the drop-down to Color and then choose any color tile from the palette. As soon as you select a color, CapCut will instantly generate a solid backdrop behind your media. This method is especially useful if you want to change the background appearance without manually placing a separate color asset into the timeline. Once your solid background is in place, the next step is to layer your content on top of it. Keep the solid color layer on track 1, then drag your text, stickers, or cutout clips onto tracks 2 directly above the background. This order is important because anything on the higher track will appear on top of the solid layer. If the timing needs adjustment, click and drag the outer edges of the solid layer in the timeline to extend or trim its duration so it matches your scene perfectly. That way the background only appears for as long as you need it. That's it! You now know 2 easy ways to add a solid layer in CapCut PC and place your content neatly above it for a clean, polished result.